My Tyler on Productions fans, and today we're doing another live stream, and today we have a huge blizzard that's supposed to hit us tonight. So yeah, the Browns are supposed to be playing, so I'm gonna turn that game on to see how that game is gonna be. So yeah, hopefully it's a good game. I think that they're supposed to be playing during the blizzard, so I want to see how that game's gonna turn out. I'm wearing my crew jersey when I should be wearing my Browns jersey, but I don't really want to. Drive R8s, I don't like those. So yeah, the storm was supposed to hit, so I got my Switch charged. And in my last storm, it was like crazy. My last storm stream, we had like a bunch. That power went out. This entire shelf came down. I had to bolt it back up, and all the tornado sirens are going off. So yeah. Hopefully it's not so bad. I'm trying to figure out what I should do. So yeah. I bolted this back in, so that shouldn't fall. I'm not gonna play my Chromebook today. I think I'm just gonna put on the Browns game and read chat. Or maybe I should play some games. I don't know. I'll probably just play some games on my PlayStation. But start off, I'm gonna be playing some basketball on my mini basketball hoop. So yeah, let's get started. All right, what should I put this against? I'm gonna put it right against this. Yeah, there we go. Stay. Okay. I finally found the basketball hoop. Yeah, so I can actually play now. Alright, chat. I gotta buy basketball here, and let's go. Give me the basketball. Dang. Don't I have a few basketballs? Yeah, I do in here. At least 3. I got 4. That's a lot. Look how many I have. This. Right the backboard. 3. Mitchell. That was a 3. 2-pointer. Yeah, boy. Dang! That's crazy. Dang. 3. Hey. 3. 3. Dang. 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 That was gonna hit my TV. Come on. Come on. Get out of here, stupid Steeler fans. Why in the world do you get the Brown Stadium anyways? Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The Browns are winning right now versus the Steelers in the middle of a blizzard. The blizzard's supposed to hit here later, guys. I'm just watching the Browns game right now. Just because... Why is my phone blurry? The Browns versus the Steelers just because... I don't know. I got all my flashlights. I have so many. I actually charged them this time so they won't go out like last time. Last live stream they did. So I came prepared for this. But hopefully the blizzard isn't that hard. Look at that stadium. How nice that stadium looks. And, if you guys want me to do any Browns games, if you guys want me to record and like whenever I go to a Browns game, I might. So I've been to a Browns game before. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna sit over here in my chair so I can just read chat and all that. It's my basketball hoop. The Browns are doing so good, bro. What is that, a field goal? What the heck, is that a punt? So yeah, this game's pretty good. But yeah, hopefully the storm's not too bad and we should be good. Browns aren't doing that bad. They're winning 7-3 in the middle of a blizzard. I mean, the blizzard's supposed to hit. I don't think it's going to hit in the game, though. That's like impossible. They won't play in a blizzard during the game. I doubt that. But yeah. Get out of here, Steelers. You suck. So yeah. Hopefully it ain't too bad. Do you think that the blizzard is going to go to the game? No. Let's go Steelers. No, let's go Browns. Steelers suck. Come on, come on, come on. I never usually watch football. I'm just watching it now. I usually watch soccer, basketball, or something like that. Let's go. 7-3, let's go. So yeah, hopefully it won't be too bad. I'm just sitting here reading chat, guys. I mean, hopefully the storm's not too bad. Get out of here, Steelers. Suck. Dang, nice intersection, bro. What kind of fumble is that, Steelers? Terrible. Can't believe this video didn't get a million views yet. Stupid. This is why I like Cleveland and all that, because you have like such good sports teams. How many Super Bowls have the Browns won? They've won one. It's part of the NFL game, Browns game right now, and it is insanely. It's like snowing insanely. The blizzard's starting to hit during the game. I don't even know how in the world they're even playing the game. That is crazy. Look at this. Look how much snow there is. So yeah, the blizzard. Look at that stadium. Look how much snow is there. Oh my gosh, the stadium is huge. Jeez, look at all the snow. That's gonna hit us. All that is gonna hit. Look at all that. All that snow is gonna hit us in a few minutes. Oh my gosh. It's already hitting us. Oh my gosh. Jeez, it's snowing like crazy. Because I live like 10 minutes away from Cleveland, guys. I'm like right by the stadium. Look at that. It's like snowing like crazy. It's snowing that bad outside. Jeez, it's too crazy. Oh shoot, is that the tornado sirens? Tornado sirens going off. Jeez. Oh yeah, guys, that's a Browns signature thing right there. It's signed by some of the Browns, entire Browns team right there. Signed by the entire Browns team from 2001. Alright, guys, I gotta open this window. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It is going off. Jeez, look at the sirens going off. And then the tornado sirens going off. Jeez, it's so loud. Jeez, it's so loud. Jeez, it's snowing. Close the window. Close the window. There's too much snow in here. Jeez. There's snow just flew in. It's too crazy. It's too crazy. Alright guys, tornado sirens are going off. Jeez, look at that snow. It's too crazy. Oh jeez, it's so cold. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold, guys. I don't even have a heater. Jeez, it's freezing cold. Look at all that snow. Jeez, look at all that snow. That's what's coming outside. It's too crazy. I don't even know what to do, guys. The tornado sirens are just going off. Jeez, look at all the snow. I gotta wait 40 seconds for this stupid thing. Gotta wait 50 seconds. In a little bit, this power's probably gonna go out. And the TVs, I'm not gonna even watch the Browns game, so yeah. State Farm is there. Close this. Come on, close it. Jeez. Finally, close it. Close it. Jeez. Beat that drawer. Just too crazy. Look at the snow, you can barely even see the TV. I'm telling you, the power's gonna go out. Look at this, too crazy. Look at the field. This is what's happening outside. Look at all that snow. Jeez, it's so cold. Jeez, it's freezing cold. It's just too cold. It's ridiculous. Look at that. Look at that stadium. That stadium is beautiful. I've been in there before. Just too cold. I'm gonna have to put a hat on and everything here when the power goes out. Cause it's just gonna be freezing. Look at all that snow. Oh my gosh, look at all that snow. That is ridiculous. Look at that. You can barely even see the screen. Jeez, you can barely even see the screen. Oh my gosh, look at all that snow. It's so... You can barely even see the screen. Let's go! 10-3. Let's go! 10-3. Get out of here, Steelers. Get out of here. Get out of here. You suck. Alright, guys. This is so crazy. What? No! Dang it. The power just went out. I can't see. Power just went out. Can't even see. Come on. I can't. The power just went out. Come on. Hold on. I gotta get all these flashlights ready. Thank God I charged these. Thank God I charged these flashlights. Get that in there. Keep that in there. Jeez. It's too crazy. The storm is just too crazy. Alright, guys. Power just went out. I don't know. Jeez. It's so cold. It's just too cold right now. I'm gonna have to get some stuff on. It's just too cold. I'm gonna have to get a blanket on I'm gonna have to get a hood sweatshirt on or something because it is just freezing cold. I gotta get a sweatshirt on or something, guys. At least all my flashlights are actually working. This is crazy, guys. I have never seen it this. Jeez, it's freezing. Come on, I gotta get something on. It's so cold. It's freezing. Let me get this hoodie on. Oh, it's freezing. Jeez, it's freezing. I'll have to get a hat on. Plus, it's gonna get even colder, guys. This is gonna even get worse, guys. This is just too crazy. Come on, open this up. I gotta get a hat on. It's just gonna be too cold. It's just gonna be too cold, guys. I gotta get a hat on and everything. I just put a random hat on. I don't even care about the looks or anything. Just too cold. It's freezing. It's so cold. I gotta get this hoodie on. It's so cold. Jeez, it's freezing in here. It's freezing cold. It's gonna be even colder. This stream is gonna be like the craziest stream ever. Alright, guys. Let me put my hood up. Alright, guys. Oh, my ears. Alright, guys. Oh, it is freezing. I'm gonna try to put some of my LED lights on, so I got some more lights. Forgot could put those on. So yeah, I got my LED lights on, trying to get as much light in here and as possible. That's not working. I don't know why in the world that's not working. Probably because it's not plugged in. Alright, guys. Come on, turn on. There we go. Alright, guys. We got pretty good light in here. I mean, at least it's not pitch dark. Power's out. I don't know what to do. My fans are generators, so that's why that's working. It's just freezing in here. It's just so cold. It's gonna get even colder, guys, tonight since the power is out and all that. It's just freezing cold. I don't know what in the world I'm gonna do, guys. It's just too cold. Oh, it's freezing. Oh yeah, the door's locked. Oh shoot. Wait, is the window open? Oh no. Hold on, guys. It's stuck. It's stuck. Guys, the window is stuck. The flipping window is stuck. Look, it's... Great, now the window's stuck. It's so cold. It's like 10, 11 o'clock at night. So I'm being so quiet. Look, the window's freaking stuck. That's why it's so cold in here, bro. The window's stuck. Oh, yeah, it's stuck. Yeah, that window is stuck. That's why it's so cold in here. Oh, it's freezing, guys. Come on. I can't get it open. I'm gonna have to try tomorrow morning. Stop. I don't even know, guys. Should I wear a scarf? At least I still have Fury chat from here. My phone hasn't died or anything. I just probably have an extra camera and all that. It's just so cold. Freezing. I'm gonna put a scarf on. It's too cold. No, I'm not gonna put this. I'm at least gonna grab a blanket. It's freezing. It's freezing here. It's freezing. I'm so nervous, guys. It's freezing in here. Oh yeah, guys. All right, I got my blanket on. Look, I got my blanket on. It is freezing. It's freezing. Alright guys, I'm just gonna lay down on this gaming chair. Alright, oh, I'm glad that that gaming chair can go back. I got my blanket. Sorry for the bad lighting. I tried to do my best with all this. I only have 3 flashlights and a few LED lights. Oh, it's freezing. It's freezing in here, so yeah guys. It's just so cold. I can read chat from here though. Why is this storm so crazy? I don't know. I don't know why it is. Why do you get so many storms? I don't know. It's Ohio. Everything bad happens. Are the Browns still playing? Yeah, they should be on the TV. I just don't have the TV turned on. It's just so cold. It's freezing. What was that? What was that? Just heard something. Jeez, we heard something bounce. Is that lightning? Oh, jeez. I just fell out of my chair. Oh, get up. Oh, jeez. That lightning just shook the entire house. Oh, jeez. It's like so late. It's like 1 o'clock now. It's so late. I didn't know this storm was gonna take so long. Look, the entire chair just flipped on me. That lightning just scared the crap out of me. We're gonna have to retreat. I don't even know where to go. I'm so scared. I don't even know where to go. I don't even know where to go. Like that entire thing just flipped over. Alright guys. It's stuck in there. I can't get it up. We're gonna have to move. We're gonna retreat. Retreat. Close my window so nobody's looking in. I don't even know where to go, guys. I don't even know where to go. Oh, my eyes. Oh, I don't even know where to retreat to, guys. Down there. I don't even know where to go. I guess I'm gonna go over here. I'll bring out my fan, too. I don't even know why my fans are on. I can't even turn them off. It's so cold. It's freezing. Yeah, at least I got my flashlight on. Oh, my eyes hurt. At least I can finally read chat from here, guys. Oh, it's freezing. Jeez, it's so cold. It's just so cold. It's freezing. Guys, I just have to be honest. This is like the craziest storm I've ever seen. It's too crazy.